Can we terraform Mars despite solar wind? Imagine transforming a distant planet into a new Earth. That's what scientists call terraforming Mars. It involves thickening the atmosphere, warming the planet, and creating conditions for water to flow freely. But there's a big obstacle in the way: the solar wind. The solar wind is a stream of charged particles coming from the sun. It constantly hits planets in our solar system. Earth has a strong magnetic field that deflects these particles, protecting its atmosphere. Mars, however, does not have a global magnetic field. Its core is inactive, so it lacks this natural shield. Without protection, the solar wind strips away the Martian atmosphere over time. This atmospheric loss is confirmed by many space missions. They show that Mars has lost most of its original atmosphere over billions of years. If we try to make the atmosphere thicker, the solar wind will likely erode it again. This makes terraforming a huge challenge. Scientists have come up with some ideas to fight this problem. One idea is to create a magnetic shield around Mars. This could be done by placing a giant magnetic field generator at the Mars Lagrange point, which is a stable spot between Mars and the Sun. This artificial magnetosphere could deflect solar wind particles, helping the atmosphere stay put. Another idea is to rapidly thicken the atmosphere by releasing greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide or methane. These gases trap heat and warm the planet faster. This could help melt ice and create liquid water. But this process needs large-scale industrial activity and a lot of resources. It might also take hundreds of years to see real results. Some proposals involve physical barriers or continuously replenishing the atmosphere. For example, adding gases from other celestial bodies or using machines to release gases trapped underground. These methods could help maintain the atmosphere once it is thick enough. Despite these plans, terraforming Mars remains a long-term project. The solar wind is a persistent force that constantly works against us. To succeed, we need advanced technology to build magnetic shields and manage the planet's environment. Future space missions will focus on studying how the solar wind interacts with Mars and testing ways to protect the atmosphere. In the end, making Mars habitable despite solar wind is possible in theory. It will require huge technological breakthroughs and ongoing effort. As our space technology improves, we get closer to overcoming these obstacles and turning Mars into a new home for humans.